Yeah, ibizo lami ngu-Abigail Mpambi, ningu-National Coordinator, ngimele Civic Society and Churches Joint Forum. Yes, ndeqobi lapha South Africa, eJoburg. Injongo yethu ukuthi sifinyelele lapha kulabo bhuti bethu khona labo sisi esingathi khona be-diasporas. Sile njongo ukuthi sizoletha indaba, the people struggle issues. Sinanzelele ukuthi ekhaya abantu kabaselo okunye ababhekane nabo kunde sithi abakucabangayo siphakathi kwama-problems esinawo eZimbabwe ngaphandle kwe-politics. Abantu sebechiye esingathi injongo yestruggle which is bread and butter issues. Abantu sebefokasa nokuthi ngubani obusayo sikhathi bani njani. Ingathi thina vele ungananzelela into yakayenza ukuthi abadala bahambe empini ngale emagangeni abanye baphendukanga bafela khona. Indaba yokuthi sibone ukuthi abantu abethu bangahamba njani esikolo, indaba equality, equitable distribution of resources, etc. So 38 years after independence, ukuthi belonke sifuqwa ama-politicians besenza ukuthi silwe kumbe silwele bona hayi lokho sithi hatshi. Sekathesi sesiyisikhathi sokuthi singadlula sesidlule kuma-elections kunje so asiseyisikhathi sokukhuluma i-election. We refuse to be fooled. We refuse to have our nation kept at ransom by politicians. Silethe lamazwi ngapha ukenzela ukuthi abanye labo sibambisane ngoba balapha eduzane sithi near home is not home. Kumele labo baze ekhaya kumbe balethe umbono yabo njengoba bekhulumile ukuthi hayi thina sesizimisele ukuthi sakheni ilizwe lethu. We know we have differences, but we cannot focus on politician differences. Kathesi sifuna ukuthi sihlangane sonke njengabantu abeZimbabwe sakhe isizwe sethu from here sisasabalala ningathi sifike kwamanye amazwe sibalandele abafowethu silandele osisi bethu odade bethu sidinga ukuthi sibambane sakhe isizwe sethu.
Ngiyabonga Mahlaba Zulu. Igama lami uMehluli wakwaDube. Mina ke ngi-Regional Coordinator ye-Diaspora Chapter Civic Society and Church Joint Forum. Ikho ke thina engingathi silakho ukuthi sikusho ukuthi siyakunanzelela ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi masiya ekhethweni ukhetho sikhangelela ukuthi maluza lube ludlule kwamele ukuthi lushiye impilo zabantu sezinjani sezingathi ziba ngcono sezikwesinye isibanga kwelinye ihlandla elingcono kwamele ukuthi siwabone ama-improvements ey'mpilweni zabantu. Kodwa-ke masithi siyakunanzelela ukhetho malubuya luhamba lushiya abantu sebesekudubekeni okukhulu ukudlula lokhu abebekikho. Yikho-ke thina sithi njengabase-diaspora sifuna ukuthi sibambisane neforum besebenzele ekhaya, sisebenzise amakhansila wethu, sisebenzise iparlament yethu, sisebenzise nama-senators wethu ukuthi la abantu sisebenzise njalo ne-constitution yethu ukuthi kube nemithetho esizoyilandela ebhekana ne-development, ebhekana nokuphatheka kukaZulu kwezomnotho, kwezomkhonomi. Ngoba masithi siyabheka kumanje mawukhulunywa ngezokhetho ukhetho alukhuluma ngokuphatheka kwaZulu kwezomkhonomi, ukhetho alukhuluma ngokubaluleka kwempilo kaZulu, ukhetho lukhuluma ngokwamandla walaba abafuna ukusibusa athi ukusikhokhela. Yikho-ke thina sithi njenge-diaspora sifuna ukuthi each and everyone abe involved kwezomnotho, each and everyone lapha ahleli khona abe nenhlala kahle, abe nempila kahle. Sizothi thina ukuthi sifocus sibhekane nalokho, sihlukane nokubhekana nokukhetho lokho nokweyinkokheli nokwababusayo lapha. Thina sifuna inkokheli njalo sifuna inhlala kahle nokuthi siphatheke kwezomnotho.
Igama lami ngiLisakazi Mabhoma, i-moderator ye-Diaspora Chapter in South Africa. Ukuba why should ama-diasporans aseyizini funeke abe involved? It's because I believe ukuthi akekho umuntu owazi bhetere what do you need more than yourselves. So your involvement is highly inevitable. Ukuthi ube khona engxakini that is going to help you is very vital, so that you can bring about suggestions that are not going to be medical for yourself, even for your people. Because if when I was a contributor to your betterment, to yourself, you know, the future generations is definitely going to have something better. So I think you owe it to yourself and your country to be involved.